Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome to RNF UK Vlogs. Today you are joining us for a surprise harvest in 2020. We thought we'd finished our harvest as winter is coming to UK, but there was a surprise waiting for us. Can you find it? Here's a mini harvest of aubergine, tomatoes and one small ginger. Here is a surprise, can you spot it? We didn't even know that this was growing in our garden. Mashallah, it's a giant Bangla khodo. Mashallah, look at these beautiful khodus. The biggest one was 8 kg, a whopping 8 kg everyone. If you have enjoyed our vlog, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more updates on our vlog.